Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone gets hot and your iPhone battery drains too. One of the most common problem I used to see as an Apple technician. So iPhone that were overheating, sometimes an iPhone felt just a little warmer than it should. And other times the back of the iPhone was so hot and it felt like it might burn your hand. Either way you have got a hot iPhone, iPad or iPod, it means there is something wrong. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. The first thing I'm going to tell you, close out your apps. If your iPhone doesn't have a home button, open the app switcher by swiping up from the very bottom to the center of the screen, and then swipe up your apps up and off the top of the screen to close them, and you are done. Next I'm going to tell you, look for crashing apps. For this, head to settings. Next, scroll down and go to privacy. Next, scroll down and choose analytics and improvements. Tap on it. Next, choose analytics data. For a list of everything that has been crashing your iPhone, it's normal to see a few entries in this list because log files end up here too. But if you see the same app listed over and over again, you have got a problem with that app. Try deleting and reinstalling it from the App Store. For this, press and hold on the app on the home screen until the quick action menu appears. And then choose remove app and then choose delete app. After deletion, go to App Store and reinstall the app and you are done. You can also look for the crashing apps from battery. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to battery option and look at the list of apps in the battery usage section to see which apps are using the most battery life and identify apps that could be crashing your iPhone to get hot, and you are done. Next, I'm going to tell you, turn your iPhone off and back on. For this, you just need to press and hold the volume up button and power button together and hold. Next, slide to power off and wait for some time, and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. The next step is make sure your apps are up to date. For this, go to App Store and tap on your profile at the top right corner. Scroll down. Here you will see all the apps that are needed to be updated. If any app needed to be updated, then tap on the update button next to it and you are done. And the next step is update your iPhone. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to general option, then choose software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now and update the latest version of iOS, and you are done. And the next step is reset all settings. If you have tried all the steps and your iPhone still getting hot, you need to reset all settings on your iPhone. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to general option. Scroll down to the bottom and choose transfer reset iPhone and choose reset. Next, choose reset all settings. It will ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instructions to reset all settings on your iPhone, and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix your issue of iPhone get hot and your iPhone battery drains too. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.